Hey everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. Tonight we're going to do another home chef meal. This is a different one. This one says oven ready, but obviously it's not oven ready because you still have to prepare it. This is pulled pork enchiladas with cheese, corn, and sour cream. So the first thing you want to do is get out a mixing bowl and we're going to drain the pork and put the pork in here. Once you have the pork in there, you just kind of want to shred it up. So I'm just using a fork to do that. This says this is mild spicy. Difficulty level is easy, and it takes 30 to 40 minutes to prep and cook. Sometimes it's easier if you just get 2 forks to shred stuff apart. Now this comes with the seasoned pork, the enchilada sauce, 6 small flour tortillas, a little bit of sour cream, the frozen corn, and the cream cheese. And then it comes with this pan to cook in as well. So when I saw oven ready, I thought it was just, you know, like a TV dinner, pop it open, heat the oven up, put it in, but no, you're still cooking and preparing these meals. So our oven, it's on preheating at 400 degrees. It says to preheat that for at least 10 minutes, which obviously if you're doing all this, that's gonna be good. Because these are little tortillas, I just want to make sure everything is into smaller pieces here. Then it says you're going to add your cream cheese and corn. So we got a little thing of cream cheese here. We're going to go ahead and put that in. Touch the meat. And our corn, we got 2 bags like this. We're just going to combine that all together. You want to do that without trying to squish your corn up. We're going to set that aside. And now you're going to take your tortillas on a clean surface. We just got 6 of these puppies.
There's puppies with this one?
This one has puppies. No kitties, just puppies. No, babe. Just like that. And then you're going to divide your filling equally into these. Says you might have leftover filling. Do with it as you will, it says. Should have got a spoon, but whatever. I'm not gonna have any leftover because I'm just gonna stuff them all full.
That's what I would say to do.
All right.
Fill them up.
Fill them up.
They'll just be super thick tamales.
Yeah, fill it up.
Enchiladas or whatever the heck it is.
Then it says you want to take a 1/4 cup of enchilada sauce and put on the bottom of your pan. Scooch those right on out of the way here. Put this here. I don't know what a 1/4 cup is in these little containers, so I'm just going to put one of these down. Just put one in here. It really doesn't matter because you're going to use the rest over the top anyhow, so it's just putting a little base there. Just swoosh that around a little bit. And you're going to roll these up with the seam side down. Roll it up.
Seam side down.
Seam side down. Oh, that one lost its meat. We'll just push it back in there. I should have thought about this before I did 4, because I should have done 4 with this and 4 without, but he likes serrano peppers. We still have some of these left over, so I'm going to put them in 2 of his because I didn't do it in 3 or 4, but I'm just going to add them to the 2 that are already not rolled yet. So these already have been washed, and I learned my lesson. You don't want to do these without gloves. You touch your nose, touch your eyes. It's not good. So these little serrano peppers are small but mighty. So I'm just going to cut these up a little bit for him. So we're going to go ahead and roll those 2 up now. Get his little peppers all in there. Oh, that stuff is fire! Not for me. I'll put that seam side down. Those serrano peppers, they're just gonna sneak out in this anyhow, but a little bit probably won't be okay, or probably will be okay, but they have too much for me, so that's just way too much spice. So we're gonna go ahead and put that there. And then I'm going to mark these with a toothpick. And then we'll put this sauce right on top, that little bit that fell out. And then you're going to take the rest of your enchilada sauce and just pour right over top.
I don't know where that went. It was literally on his nose in between his eyes.
All right, then you're just gonna cover that with some aluminum foil. I put toothpicks in yours. We're gonna bake those in that oven for 20 to 22 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out, uncover it, add our cheese to the top, and put it back in uncovered. They only give you this little package of cheese. Anybody that likes cheese knows this ain't enough. So we're gonna go ahead and spread this on. Look at that. That isn't nearly enough cheese. So we have some extra cheese to put on top. So we're gonna go in with some extra queso cheese right on top. And we're gonna put that back in the oven uncovered for 5 to 6 minutes. So there she is, ready to bake for 5 minutes. All right, so there they are. Home Chef's pork seasoned enchiladas. Take a look at that. It came with sour cream, but I'm just going to add this dollop of this sour cream. I'm going to take my little containers to work to use. Got some sour cream right on top of there. And that looks delicious. I have to admit, I actually did taste some of the stuff that fell off in the pan, and that's pretty daggone good. So there you have it. pulled pork enchiladas with cheese, corn, and sour cream, oven ready, home chef. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Till next time, folks, stay cooking.